caught me sketching again. I'm in my little art spot, working on a Earth Day sketch today about the sky. I've noticed how blue the skies have been lately. I'm also wearing recycled earrings. Do you know what recycling is? Recycling is using the materials that you already used into something new. For example, my daughter Gidget made this really cool turtle out of a paper bowl. And this is my friend Rerun. She's also made out of recycled materials. I used all my old bottle caps and all of the boxes, and I paper machéed her into a big turtley lawn ornament for my yard. Let's see what we can make out of some of the stuff you were just gonna throw away. Hey Gidge, what are you doing with all that trash?
I found this box lying around my house and I think it's really cute. I also have this packaging which works great for a pillow and a blanket on top. Now, I have a perfect bed for all my toys. Now I'm using some newspaper and stuffing this bag that came with the box. This makes for a great soft pillow.
This little room is turning out so cute, Gidget. Let's keep going. I think that, how about if we give him a side table? This is from a box of berries. And maybe we can make it into a lamp. I've got an old toilet paper or paper towel tube, gold foil from a candy bar for the light. And then we got this from our takeout too. And there we go. There's his little nighttime lamp. Now what we need is maybe a book to read him a story.
Now for the book, we have this big book we got in the mail. And we're just gonna cut out a little portion of it. It might be a little bit hard because it's so thick.
You can cut out a few pages at a time to make it easy to cut.
Okay, now we're gonna fold our book in half. Glue in a few pages so it doesn't fall out. Especially the front and the back one. Now, staple the middle of your book. Just like that. Tie a rubber band around the book so it can be a secret diary. This is a plastic top that I found to a bottle. I filled it with some water, and now you can put it on this bedside table.
Gidget, that was really fun. We didn't even need toys to
Yeah.
make toys.
Why go and buy a dollhouse when you can make your own?
I want to keep going. We can make little rooms and toys for all our toys.
Happy Earth Day! Mom, what should we do with these fruit nets?
Let's save them for the next project.